Gnash still gets the respect he deserves. But while power is hard to acquire, it's even harder to maintain. And with all the males beginning to come out of hibernation, Gnash has to be prepared. Every spring, some punk tries to make a name for himself. The territorial calls mean ownership of this turf is being challenged. These are fighting words. And fights can get nasty. Delusions of grandeur. Gnash became top dog in his territory for a reason. He is the alpha male. At least for now. But if one of you wants it, you're gonna have to take it.